Welcome back friends in our channel Art Life with Mohammed Shahzad. Today we are going to make a photo frame with the peacock and the footprint. For that we need 15 mm dia and some other size dias and cooling tool and glue. First of all we have to make the face of the peacock. For that we need 150 mm black petal, 150 mm white petal and 150 mm green petal. That can make it the face of peacock. And we have to make the turn and make the tight roll. Peacock. Make the peacock face, mouth, but as you say. And also we have some 20 mm petals. We make the top side of the peacock, and 35 mm blue and orange strip we need to make the tight roll and make it tight roll. This one we already make that one. We need 3 same size. Like this. Now we need 150 mm cooling strip red color to make the tip of the peacock. Just little bit and press. Now we have to make the rest of things of peacock. For that we need 150 mm orange, 150 mm blue and 250 mm blue and 297 mm blue and 297 mm green. Just send the different size by which size you want. Just put it the glue and press the shape of like this. For the footprint need 297 mm strip of light yellow color. We have to press it. 20 mm dia you have to round dia use and press from the top side, little bit bendy. We already make the other one. Same we need 2 and some different size of cooling tool. 5 cooling tools I already made, and you can make the full footprint like this. So now friends, time to put the stuff on the frame. So friends, we got our stuff, footprints and peacock and A5 size paper and also cardboard to make a frame. We have to put the ones about the peacock. You can see, you can do it as well. First we have to put the small one in the middle, then the medium size the corner. After that we have to put the bigger one, the downside, then medium to sizes or the corner. At the end we have to put the smaller edges, also small size, the corner, and we done the peacock. Now footprint, we have to put both of them there, make the joint and put the quilling tool, tight roll for the fingers of footprint. Finally we complete, friends. I hope you got it and you learn, and if you have any question you can ask me in the comment, where you just comment below the video, and or personally message, you can text me, and if you want to know anything else about other videos, I will answer you as well. And please share my video and subscribe my channel. Until next video, friends, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.